Hi viewers, in today's video we will be discussing 20 phrasal verbs with English meaning. Let's start the video. Break down, to stop functioning of something, for example machines. Bring up, to mention or introduce a topic in conversation. Call off, to cancel something. Carry on, to continue doing something. Come across, to find something by chance. Drop out, to leave school or occurs before finishing it. Give up, to stop trying or to quit. Go through, to experience something difficult or unpleasant. Hold on, to wait for a short time. Look after, to take care of someone or something. Look into, to investigate or examine something. Make up, to invent a story or excuse. Pick up, to learn something new, also to collect or gather. Put off, to postpone something to a later time. Run out of, to use up all of something. Set up, to arrange or establish something. Take off, to remove clothing, also for a plane to begin flight. Turn down, to reject or refuse an offer. Work out, to exercise, also to solve a problem or figure something out. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.